Hey buddy! This is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best Samsung TVs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Samsung TVs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Samsung 65-inch S90F OLED 4K TV. The S90F is an impressive mid-range OLED and one of our favorite displays. It gets a bit brighter than the older S90D and offers better color volume than similar LG OLED models. When looking at overall value for your money, the S90F is the best Samsung TV available. In fact, it's my pick for the best TV you can buy from any brand. Utilizing a QD-OLED panel, the S90F delivers an infinite contrast ratio and outstanding color performance that outshines similarly priced OLEDs from LG and Sony. Its 144Hz refresh rate also helps cement it as one of the best gaming TVs, offering silky smooth motion when connected to a compatible PC. Like other Samsung models, the S90F supports HDR10 and HDR10+, and its HDR performance is impressive. Highlights leap off the screen, while deep, precise black levels and wide viewing angles make this TV equally impressive for movie nights and group viewing sessions. Black levels do rise slightly when the panel is hit with light, but not to the point where it's distracting. Brightness is another strong point. Our reviewer measured a peak of around 1,460 nits, which is around 200 nits higher than the previous S90D. That gives the S90F plenty of punch for both dark home theaters and well-lit living rooms. And number 2. Samsung 65-inch U8000F 4K TV. The U8000F is Samsung's latest entry-level 4K TV. It delivers decent performance for casual viewing needs, but its color, contrast, and brightness capabilities are severely limited compared to the brand's pricier QLED and OLED models. While many of Samsung's high-end and mid-range TVs deliver good value, its budget options tend to be lacking compared to similar TVs from TCL, Hisense, and Roku. But if you prefer the Samsung brand, the U8000F is the company's best entry-level option. The U8000F utilizes a standard LCD panel with a regular LED backlight. This is fine for casual viewing needs, but the TV lacks the step-up picture quality features you'd find on Samsung's QLED and OLED models. Most notably, the U8000F doesn't use quantum dots and lacks local dimming. As a result, the TV offers a more restricted range of colors, and its black levels aren't as deep or uniform across the screen. This is also one of the dimmest TVs in Samsung's lineup. It can technically process HDR10 and HDR10+ signals, but it cannot achieve sufficient brightness or precise enough contrast control to effectively showcase the benefits of HDR. And number 3. Samsung 65-inch S95F OLED 4K TV. The S95F is Samsung's latest flagship 4K TV. It's one of the top high-end displays available, utilizing an advanced QD-OLED panel with a matte anti-glare screen. Samsung's S95F OLED is the brand's most impressive TV yet. That said, it's also one of its most expensive. Like the more affordable S90F, this OLED offers an infinite contrast ratio and wide viewing angles. However, this step-up model can get even brighter, allowing for even more HDR impact when watching high-brightness movies and TV shows. I measured a peak of around 2,170 nits using the TV's most accurate HDR picture mode. That's almost 1,000 nits more than the S90F, representing a substantial bump. In fact, the S95F is one of the brightest OLED TVs available, second only to the LG G5. The S95F uses Samsung's latest anti-glare matte screen, which could be a pro or con depending on your viewing needs. This feature significantly reduces reflections in rooms with ambient light, making it a perfect fit for people who struggle with glare in their space. Sports fans, in particular, should consider the S95F as it's great for watching games during the day. And number 4. Samsung 65-inch QN90F QED 4K TV. The QN90F is Samsung's flagship 4K QLED TV. It offers a slightly brighter image than older models and uses a new matte screen that greatly reduces reflections. Though I favor Samsung's OLED TVs for their superior contrast performance, the company's QLED TVs are still worthwhile options. The QN90F is one of the brand's top 4K QLED models, and it's an especially good pick if you want a bright TV that costs less than Samsung's flagship S95F OLED. The QN90F is part of Samsung's Neo QLED series, which utilizes quantum dots for enhanced color and a mini LED backlight with local dimming for improved contrast. The TV's mini LEDs enable it to produce solid black levels with good brightness control. During my tests, the QN90F's dimming worked well and produced fewer instances of blooming, small halos around bright objects, and vignetting, darkening around the edges of bright objects, than I saw on the older QN90D. That said, I did still see some minor halos and brightness imperfections, so the QN90F can't quite match the pixel-level contrast control of Samsung's OLED models. And number 5. Samsung 65-inch Frame TV, LS03F. Samsung's Frame TV is designed to look like a piece of art on your wall thanks to its flush mount, matte screen, and magnetic frame bezels. Its image quality is mediocre, but its style makes it a great pick for design-focused buyers. Samsung's Frame TV is an excellent choice for anyone planning to mount their display on a wall. This unique TV is designed to resemble a piece of art hanging in your living room. The frame has a black border by default, but you can pay extra to get different bezel colors for the exact picture frame look you want. Options include white, brown, teak, red, beige, and more. The add-on bezels magnetically snap onto the display for simple installation. Like Samsung's S95 series, the Frame TV utilizes an external One Connect box to house its video ports, allowing the panel to maintain a 1-inch profile from top to bottom. When paired with the included slim-fit wall mount, the TV can be hung flush on your wall, just like a framed work of art.